Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, friends and fellow artists? Welcome to the channel. We are about a week old. Yes, we just started the channel. This channel, in case you didn't know, is going to be based around full-length oil painting talk-through videos for the new and beginner oil painter that has not yet begun their art journey, or maybe they have and they just have some questions, and hopefully I can answer those questions for you along the way, and we can paint and have a good time together on the channel. And if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, please make sure you hit that free subscribe button. That way you'll be notified the next time I do a full-length oil painting talk-through video. This one is time-lapse, but I do plan on doing a lot of full-length explanation videos where you guys can learn, and well, we can learn together and have a good time painting. So please come back and join me for one of those. I'd love to see your pictures. I'm going to have an email set up soon where you guys that do paint along with me, you can send your finished product to me and I'll put it in my next video. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.